Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We're going to build both of the Stephanie Heart boxes today because we haven't built them yet. So we've got the one from the very beginning of the year and the new one from halfway through the year, which is like the beach theme one. And it looks like Stephanie's got like a top that she doesn't have in anything else. Might be an exclusive top so far, which is pretty cool. We'll check that out in a minute. So let's build the original one with all the trademark Stephanie stuff in it. So let's see. So actually, let's get it all out and I'll leave all the bricks in view this time and I'll sort them because it's such a little set. And every time I build a set, I just have to sort the pieces before I start, even the small ones, because that's just me. I'm just a sorter. I like things to be in their place where they belong. Okay, we've done well. We've gone really fast. And these little pieces, I don't have to sort them quite so much because they're really easy to find in amongst all the other pieces. So that looks good. All right, we are sorted, but let's check out Stephanie. So Stephanie is in her stereotypical Stephanie outfit and she's got a tennis racket and that yellow thing is a tennis ball. It's not a very good tennis ball, but it's supposed to be a tennis ball. So Stephanie's the competitive sporty one. So and a pizza? Okay, and a phone. All right, so she's got everything she needs, including a pizza and a phone and a buildable water bottle because you must stay hydrated while you're doing all those sports things and eating all that pizza and phoning all your friends. Let's build the heart box. So all of these heart boxes from the first season, yeah, I suppose we can call it the first season. They all go together the same way, and the second season ones, the beachy, watery themed ones, are a little bit different, just a little bit different in how they're put together on the inside, this part here. But apart from that, these are a great way to get lots of nice smooth tile pieces and lots of curved pieces in interesting colours. And not only that, to have this cool little display box, like this trinket box where you can put your favourite things, including your favourite Lego friends, or you can display them on the top, or you can stack them. There are lots and lots of things you can do apart from just have this really cute little heart-shaped box. So we're doing well on the bottom part here. We're smoothing over the top and there are a couple of little studs there so that we can actually attach the lid. But for now, Stephanie's going to hang out inside. She's fallen over. We'll move everything out of the way and we'll start on the lid. And we've got these printed pieces with Stephanie's name on it and her star emblem, so we know it belongs to her. And some really pretty things going on the top of the box with, once again, they're kind of hiding the stud element there. So there are places where you can actually display Stephanie, or you can actually just set up a whole scene on top of it, on the lid. Or you don't have to, it's just there looking pretty. And these little round pieces hold our lid nice and securely, and we can lie her down and look, there we go. We put the trophy on the top. And the first ones, the first season ones, get their little stand. All right, so this is cool. I forgot to put the bow in her hair. There are actually two bows. There are a few little extras actually in here. Let's have a look. So we got a few little extra pieces here. Let's move them out of the way and let's start looking at the second one. Now, this one's a bit more interesting for me anyway, because check out this top. Nice top. It's definitely swimwear. That's some funky looking swimwear. And Stephanie, I don't know if I'm wrong here. I think Stephanie's face might be, I like this face. I think her eyes are definitely lighter blue and her lips are a lighter pink. This is a nice variation of Stephanie's face, this new one. Now that's really good, because the first one looks kind of cartoonish, which is silly because they are cartoon characters, but I really like this new look. It's much softer. And because this is a water-themed heart box, she gets a water shooter here. A big super soaker. That's really fun. So these came in the pool set as well, Andrea's pool party set. So, but you can never have enough water soakers. Like never, ever. And let's see what else we got, because this is not actually the heart box. This is a little extra build, which is cute, with a hinged piece. Well, a couple of hinged pieces and a yellow tin and a red tin sitting on the hinged pieces. That's weird. Why are they sitting on the hinged pieces? And something yellow. Something, is it a little seat? No, you wouldn't want to sit on that. That would stick right into your butt and be really uncomfortable. It's a little like puppy dog balloon. Oh, that's really adorable. Oh, a little buildable puppy dog balloon. That's really cute. So what is kind of all right. So that's her target practice, is using the super soaker to, missed. That didn't work at all. To actually hit the cans and to knock them over. That's really such a cute little mini build, and you probably don't want to actually hit the doggy balloon because then it might pop. Would it go really with a water balloon, like with a water soaker though? Might not. All right, let's build. I've already started building on the second heart box here, and these little heart boxes are actually supposed to be little mini pools as well. I love these mint pieces, or are they aqua pieces? I just don't know. And the coral pieces. These pinky coral pieces, though they're kind of more orange, and they never turn up as vibrant on the screen as they are in real life. Have you noticed that? But now Stephanie is lying down in her very comfortable pool. Very colourful pool. I love these colours. I just love them. They all go so beautifully together. And they really shouldn't, should they? Because they're quite vivid, but they're so pretty. Really like it. Okay, we're on to the lid because Stephanie's already lying down in her pool getting cool. This is her towel, her own personalised towel. So cool. And we've still got a few little studs there on the top so we can display things on the top, or Stephanie can just stand on the top if she wants to. There we go. There's our little summer-themed, beach-themed heart box. And we could try and set the scene up on the top. Let's see how we go with that. Oh, that's a bit close. Maybe we could put it like that. Actually, that's cool. That's cool. We can just sit her on her towel there. Okay, all right, so we've done both of the heart boxes. Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. I've got to say, I really do prefer the beach-themed one because I like the colours and I like the new top. But we can stack these so high. And my new favourite, Stephanie, is standing on the top of both of them. But now we've got double the trouble with two Stephanies. They can hang out together at the beach. And it's probably a good thing that there are two of them because that pizza's too big for one person. Though I take that as a challenge. Maybe it isn't too big for one person. Make sure you subscribe. Now is the time. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know which box you prefer. And I'll be back with a new build or a new fun thing to play with very, very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye.